In this video, you are going to learn about service requests. Service requests can be created in two ways. They can be created automatically through the included service request form that every business receives, or you can add them manually yourself. When a service request is created, it will appear here in your dashboard. If you have enabled the option for customers to include a company name, that company name will also show up here. All information related to your service request will be displayed, and you can click Edit to change any data in the form, or delete it from here. You also have the ability to see each of your service requests on a map. This is helpful because you can see where these requests are in relation to your existing jobs and schedule them at a time that works best for you. You can view all of your active service requests. You can also see any service requests that have already been converted to a quote, or any that are closed lost, which means the customer decided not to move forward. These will no longer appear as open or active service requests. If you want to use or view your service request form, click View Form. This will open your form in a separate link, which you can share with customers by text message or email. Simply share this link and customers can submit a service request. You can also manually add a service request at any time. For example, if a customer calls and you need to add it quickly. In the settings for your service request, there are several options. First, you have a QR code that you can share in your marketing materials. Second, there is a thank you message shown at the end of the service request when someone submits it. Here, you can list all the services available for customers to choose from. You can easily add more services here. Always remember to include a description of each service so customers can learn more about them. You can also turn on and update your introduction page. This lets you introduce yourself and your company before sending customers to the form. It creates a more personal touch and increases your chances of converting more people from that page. To fill out the information, you can turn this introduction page on or off at any time. You'll want to give it some header text, upload a picture, or you can upload a YouTube video for an even more personal experience. Then you will have some text in the header, as well as a few different features explaining why a company or a customer would choose your business. You can come up with 3 different reasons and provide subtext either before or below the header. The final setting is for embedding our button for service requests on your website. Here's the code you need. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. This code will let you add the button directly to your website, so people can submit service requests at any time. When a customer is ready to move forward, either to get a quote from you or to convert it to a job, the first step is to click Create Quote first. You'll be prompted to add these details and create the customer first, which can be done in one click. Once you've done that, you can create the quote. Your service request will no longer show as active. It will appear under Converted to Quote. This is an overview of service requests.